Good morning, dear students. Today's topic is distribution of electron. As per Bohr's atomic model, electrons revolve in a stable shells. These shells have a definite energy. The shell nearest to the nucleus is called the first shell. The next shell is called the second shell. A symbol n is used for the ordinal number of a shell. The shells are referred to by the symbols K, L, M, N accordingly to the ordinal numbers. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. The maximum number of electron a shell can contain is obtained by the formula 2n raised to 2. As the magnitude of n increases, the energy of an electron in that shell increases. Dear students, there is a similarity in the atomic structure and solar system. The planets revolve around the sun due to the gravitational force. Which force might be acting in the atomic structure? Answer is centrifugal force toward the nucleus. In general, the gravitational attraction between the sun and even the orbit of the most of the planets around the sun are almost circular. Even the Pluto's orbit and Neptune in a similar way. Electrostatic force can keep charged. The planets revolve around the sun due to the gravitational force. Positively charged protons are together in the nucleus. What might be one of the functions of the neutrons in the nucleus? Answer is neutrons will help not to replicate the protons. In a nucleus, not all protons are at a small distance. Even it has a strong interaction that also wins the Coulomb's repulsion. So, they need neutrons which is not subject to this electrostatic repulsive force. Apart from that, it allows cohesion of all the nucleons in spite of the fact